Good morning to all of you. Today we are gathered here to give our final year project presentation on employment management system and in which we have prepared the leave portal. My name is Sumit Sati and my role in this project is front-end designer and layout designer.
My name is Vijay Singh Khatri. My role in this project is to maintain our project team and to design our database.
My name is Gulshan Negi, and in this project employee management system, my role is on documentation. Basically, I work on DFD creation and ER diagrams creations.
My name is Lokesh Joshi and my role in the project is programming on ASP.NET.
The basic question arising in your mind will be, what is employee management system? Now the answer is that employee management system is the way of digitalization all the information of the employees in an organization, and we have prepared this portal in the technology is .NET ASP.NET, and the portal is leaf management system, and the platform we have used is Visual Studio. As I have previously said that my role in this project is the layout designing. I have designed the layout in Bootstrap, which is the framework used for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now I will be explaining some of the features of our project. The link I have provided in AGI is the link of our college, Amrapali Institute of Technology. Due to not availability of the internet, we are not able to connect to the Amrapali website. In the home page, we will be directly redirect to the home page of from any of the pages. In contact us, you can directly contact us by following our Twitter handle, our Facebook link, or through our email address. About us will explain what work we have done in the project. In FAQ, you will be directly getting some question such as what is employee management system and how to apply for the leave and how to register in the employee management system.
The main goal of our project is to reduce paperwork. What are the features of employee management system? To add an employee and to manage his employee record in daily basis. What are the task status of a employee? To edit and view of a employee details.
Now, my work is on documentation part. Basically, I have prepared some DFDs and EI diagrams related to employee management system project. Now, this is your DFD of employee management system. Basically, this has two modules. First is login process. How an employee can log in on this project. This is for two staff. First one is teaching staff and another one is non-teaching staff. Now this is the level of DFD. First, an employee as well as a teacher trying to log in into this project. First, teacher will see whether his record is stored in our database or not. After see it all information about himself, he will check that whether his leave is remaining or not. If he finds that his leave is remaining, then simply an employee as well as teacher will apply for new application. Now the upper level person will approve them, and after it all, upper level person can accept and rejected that application, and this will approve to teachers as well as an employee. Now, when we extend DFD into its forwards level, it goes into its another parts. Suppose we have expanded level 2 DFD, it means that next level will come level 3 DFD. This is the third level DFD for admin user. Now in this project we can say that what can admin do. So firstly, admin have the authority to know everything about users, means an admin can manage employee account, as well as we can say that admin can add employee, edit employee, view employee list, An admin can provide role as well as privileges to employee. We can say that employee can manage that employee can be managed by admin. Now, I have also prepared ER diagram. Now, first, what is ER diagrams? ER diagrams is basically an entity relationship diagram. Means whenever we want to show our project in a graphical or in a diagram, so we can show it as a ER diagram. So this is the ER diagrams for our project. Here, employee can apply for leave and employee can apply for leave. There can be lot of types of leaves that can the employee can take. So now the project live demonstration will be shown you by Lokesh Joshi.
बेसिकली हमने ASP.NET टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम किया। सबसे पहले ये समझना होगा कि ASP.NET है क्या। ASP मीन्स होता है एक्टिव सर्वर पेज। ये एक ओपन सोर्स प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने डेवलप की थी 2002 पे एंड फर्स्ट वर्जन आया था इसका 1.0 विद द फ्रेमवर्क। एंड so let's move to the live presentation. Firstly, admin can enter his ID and password. If he can enter and password ID and password, he will go to the admin page. So this is a admin page. Admin ID is 123. Firstly, he can register an employee for his ID. That is, we can simply an example of Vijay 123 and the password is Vijay and name is Vijay Singh. Select his department, that is computer science, and designations and his date of birth. And select his category, gender, and date of joining. And his qualification like B.Tech. And just so we can see that employee can successfully register. So if we can update the employee, then we can select just employee ID, just we can create Vijay 123 and just we can update it like password Vijay 12, then update. If we can view employee data, this is data. If we can delete an employee like this, we simply remove it. If and we can also register a department ID like IT and the name is information technology and submit. In the inbox, the employee can send the inbox में जो एम्प्लॉय है वो एडमिन को मैसेज भेज सकते हैं एंड कंपोज में जो एडमिन है वो जो रजिस्टर्ड एम्प्लॉय है उनको कुछ भी मैसेज भेज सकता है. एंड देन लास्ट इज लॉग आउट. द एडमिन एक and employee can also log in. He can update his profile like this, his department name computer science, and directly updated it. So he can update his profile. He can apply for leave select department, his department, type of leave, period from which, and purpose, and direct and apply the leave. So we can see he can directly apply to the leave, and he can also see that they are applied leave. So we can apply the leave, and IT is 11, name, employee name Vijay 123, and we can see the status is pending. So the admin can approve or not approve the status. So this is, he can edit is pending and approve, and simply he can update it. So the employee will see his status is update, and he can see that his leave is approved. He can also send the message to the admin, and he can also be check their inbox message which is sent by the any employees. He can directly go to the home page to this employee. After the logout, he will reach to the home page of the project.
Now, as you have seen that whole working of our project, so you can directly conclude that our total paperwork has been reduced, and from anywhere we can apply for the leave.